come. There's something I can feel standing here before the daylight. When we know we caught lightning in a bottle, no telling.
Nagsimula tayo bilang magkaklase for 4 years, living our own separate lives hanggang sa bago tayo graduate, pinaglapit tayo ilang beses ba naman.
Where we go from here, now our time has come. Let's just run.
Wag!
So let's just run.
Ay! Sexy!
Our time has finally come. So let's just run.
Punitin na siya nila!
I'll keep it in my chest, where I know I won't forget the beauty that.
Shopee!
Shopee delivery.
Kanino galing yun?
Bayad na, sir.
Tayo picture eh!
Picture muna.
Hello, bebe. Ito na yung mga nasa cart mo. Gamitin mo din yung
Bate ka.
pillowcase sa barko na para hug mo ako. Ay, parang iba tayo. See you later, bebe ko. I love you po. Kiss sa forehead nyo sa lips.
We've only just begun. So let's just run. Our time has finally come. So let's just run.
Princess, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Lester na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Ikaw naman, Lester, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Princess na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Sigurado, sigurado.
We've only just begun. So let's just run. Our time has finally come. So let's just run.
Bebe, ito na yung pangarap mo. And mag-enjoy lang tayo and magugulat ka kasi wala lang, gusto ko lang sabihin. And see you later and kaya mag-enjoy tayong dalawa. Yun, ingat ka lagi.
One lace, wildflower bouquet, and a dress I can't afford. First man I ever loved, ready to place my hand in yours.
10 years of love, laughter, and adventure have only strengthened our bond. Despite the distance between us, our love has retained unwavering. Ano yun? Hindi ko rin na-gets.
Hindi na, wait.
You're the sunshine that brightness every day.
Here's to the nights that we spent crying, the weight of the world hanging on our shoulders. Here's to the days of bills unpaid.
To my princess. Hello, bebe ko. Asawa later. Roar! Pangdagdag energy mamaya. Bokit. See you later, bebe ko.
Slow dance through all of it, and that's what love is.
Cheers!
I still remember the first time, that first night. You held me in your arms, pulled me in, and we locked eyes. You danced me across the kitchen. And here's to the nights that we spent crying.
Bebe, thank you for always lifting me up, pushing me to try new things, and believing in me. Thank you for always choosing us, despite the distance, the time, the differences, and all the challenges.
I love you more than words can I say. You are my everything, and I promise to love you unconditionally. I love you, bebe ko. No, I love you, asawa ko.
Oh!
It's a promise for a lifetime. More than a ring on our finger. It's more
Alam natin na ang lahat ng samahan, lalong-lalo na ang samahan ng mga mag-asawa, ay palaging sinusubok ng panahon. Ngunit Lester at Princess, simula ngayon hanggang magpakailanman, manindigan kayo. Manindigan kayong araw-araw, mamahalin at aakapin ng buong pag-ibig ang isa't isa sa kaginhawahan man o kahirapan.
wait till we grow older. Jobs they'll come and go, but we'll always know when the rain won't seem to quit. Darling, take my hand and we'll slow dance through all of this.
Nawang inyong pagmamahalan ay nakaugat sa katapatan.
That's
Katapatan katulad ng pagiging tapat ni Kristo sa simbahan, dahil katapatan din ang susi sa masaya at matatag na pagsasama.